In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to utilize the extra space in OBS and customize it to make your UI look professional. At the same time, it'll be very simplistic. Let's take a look. Now here we are in OBS. Here's my layout. I have my lower thirds in my scenes, scene 1 through 4, camera angles, and my media. Now the first thing we want to do is unlock these docks below. You don't want to be standing here trying to move them and realize you can't and think it's a bug when it's not actually. You just got to move your mouse up to the top and unlock these docks. If you see the check mark, that means they're locked and they don't move. So you just want to make sure you unclick this, and that way you can move the menus. I'll go ahead and move the scenes over to the left and I can adjust it. See, it's already looking a little bit more cleaner. Now you may want to name these something more efficient besides 1 through 4, but for this video I'm just going to leave them at 1 through 4. Now if I want to go ahead and add a grid mode, just go ahead and right click and select grid mode. That'll change up the view here. If you want to go back to it, just go to list. Now if you do something like this and you say, uh-oh, what did I just do? You just go straight up to docks and then reset. It'll tell you if you want to go to the original settings. You'll say yes, and you just start over again. It's no big deal. Now I'll leave that up there to the left. We'll go to the bottom here and you start your live stream. Now I'm going to show you one of the coolest features that is mostly forgotten in OBS, and that is these menu bars are actually stackable. You can actually put one into the other. Like for instance, this scene's transition, we may not need it. So we'll just go ahead and bring it down and put it into controls, and look what happens. Now we saved up some of the space. Now they're menu bars. So scenes, transition, and control have become tab. And so now you can just switch back very easily right now between both of these tabs. Now over to the audio mixer. This looks very unnecessary. So we just go ahead and right click and use a vertical layout. Now that looks much cleaner, and you can sort of customize it, make them smaller. That way you could utilize the space here now with my sources and my scene transition. I can also make this audio mixer pop out by clicking this button here, and I can move it all into the sources. Once again, these become tabs and you can switch between both of them. Now you freed up all the space here, and you only have 2 tabs or sources and your scene transition, and then you can just switch between each tab below. So basically what it comes down to is you want to use your live stream to your advantage, so you don't have to be distracted while you have on the right here your chat bar, and you can concentrate better on your live stream. Finally, there's a bonus feature here that comes with most of my end videos. If you go to view, go to multi-view window, you can actually click on these videos on the side and view each one separately. Here's one, scene 1, here's scene 2, and then we have all videos, scene 3 and scene 4. If you want to create more scenes below, you just go to settings and select multi-view and add 18 scenes instead of the normal 8. This is Ram at Live Media Video, and I'll see you in the next one.